Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my epic overnight oats. I'm going to be adding a little bit of my new obsession, which is the Woolies smooth chocolate peanut butter, and it's going to change your life. So we're going to be using about a cup of oats, which is like 120 grams. To give it a little bit of texture and a little bit of yummy thickness, I'm adding about a tablespoon of chia seeds. If you want to, you can add a little bit more. And then we are going to be adding a little bit of our peanut butter. I'm going to be using coconut milk for today, just because it's something that's in the pantry. This is really luscious. It's got an amazing richness to it. These are obviously very indulgent breakfast oats. So we're just going to mix them all together, make sure it's all even. So this guy is just going to go into the fridge and chill overnight. Basically, now we're going to get to our toppings, the best part. So let's get started. I love bananas on my oats, but like I said, these are the bougie oats that we're doing today. So they're going to be brûléed bananas. Super easy and delicious. To make it easy for bananas, since they kind of tend to fall apart in the pan, I like to leave the skin on, slice through halfway lengthways, and it looks really beautiful when you dish it up, but also it's just really easy to handle. You can kind of use anything from butter to sugar. In this case, we're just going to keep it super simple, add a little bit of nature's goodness, and do some honey. So as you can see, the sugar there is starting to caramelize within the honey. It's just on that point now where it's catching and getting really dark and rich. So I've turned the heat off, and it's just going to sit there in our pan and kind of set. So to top off these breakfast oats, I'm going to be doing a quick little dalgona coffee. And yeah, it's going to add a lovely little texture to it with our beautiful sticky bananas and fluffy dalgona coffee. It's going to be the ultimate breakfast oats. 2 teaspoons of the freeze-dried Italian coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar with 2 tablespoons of hot water. And now in order to get this all fluffy and delicious, we're going to have to be using an electric handheld beater. The magic is happening. I mean, hello. Let's just have a moment for how beautiful this is. Silky, glorious, peak worthy. So now for the best part, dishing up. And we've got our delicious overnight oats. These are the ones that we've added a little bit extra hot water to. So you can see they've got that nice loose texture. Sticky, beautiful honey brûléed bananas. You see what I mean? They're much easier to handle in the skins. They're also absolutely delicious. Unbelievable. Ultimate espresso dalgona whip. And then for a nice little bit of texture, gonna add a little bit of the savory nut and seed sprinkle from Woolies. It's just lovely with the saltiness and the bitter sweetness of the bananas and the creaminess of the rich coconut. Obviously, if you're feeling extra bougie, add a nice little tablespoon of the peanut butter oats. But for me, this is my idea of heaven, and I really hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I wish you could taste it. Literally, guys, it's so good.